What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to TLTG Reviews. For those of you stopping by for the first time, do me a real quick favor. See that red subscribe button down below? Go ahead and click that. Show you support for the channel. For those of you stopping by to see what I have in store for you tonight, welcome back, my friends. Think you're going to like this one. So, special package arrived in the mail today. Didn't want to put it in the title, the thumbnail, none of that. Didn't put it on my Facebook page. I left it boxed. I have not opened it. I know what it is, but you don't. Still sealed, came from Forever Luxe, bought it off eBay, been on the list for a while, been wanting to get it, never smelled it. Legitimate blind buy, never seen it in person. I've seen reviews, I've been wanting it. I wonder what it could be. I know what it could be, but you're wondering, aren't you? Let's bust this bad boy open. See what we have. I'm hoping it's as good as I think it's going to be, and as good as others have said it is, because I absolutely love the note breakdown on this. It seems like it's going to be different enough. Absolutely love the house, the other offerings from the house that I have. So let's see what it is. Bentley for Men Azure. That's right. Superstar stud for summer, according to several people in the fragrance community, including guys like Max 40. Hope you're right, Max, because you never steered me wrong before. Let's bust this bad boy open and let's get our nose on it. Because I'll tell you right now, Bentley for Men and Bentley for Men Intense are amazing. Many people have told me Black Edition's amazing, Absolute, and I'm going to eventually get all of them. I'm not made of money, guys. I get recommendations from you guys all the time, and I do appreciate that. But it takes time, so why not? So, gorgeous, beautiful, clear to blue gradient design. A little bit different from the standard Bentley for Men. Has that volume knob style cap that just snugly goes in there. Bentley fragrances right in the top. Moment of truth, guys, because I'll tell you what, right here on the presentation, it's just like the other ones. It's beautiful. But let's give it two good sprays. Fantastic atomizer on these Bentley fragrances. You know, I love my, oh my God, I smell that in the air. It is nice. I love my Mercedes-Benz fragrances, but it's pretty hard to compete with Bentley's fragrances from what I've experienced so far. Different. I smell the tea more than I thought I would in the opening, because there's a tea note. There's paprika. It's kind of a fresh, spicy, citrus, ozonic kind of fragrance, as what I've read. And it definitely comes across that way. I am getting the pineapple and the violet leaf right off the top. It's got that sharp metallic quality from the violet leaf with the pineapple. I can kind of smell the paprika a little. I'm guessing it's the paprika. A little slight fresh spiciness in the background. Nothing real heavy. Definitely getting that tea note. I'll tell you what, this is different from all the other freshies I have. That's for sure. That's why I want to get my hands on it. And it's beautiful. And guys, you can get this one super cheap. If you use the coupon code on FragranceNet, you can get this for right under $25. It's $24 and some change. I got this. I paid a few dollars more than that. I got it from Forever Luxe because I can't make myself pay shipping just to buy one fragrance, because if you spend $59 on FragranceNet, you can get free shipping. I was only planning on getting this one. I didn't want to spend $6 or $7 on shipping plus tax, so I just bought it on eBay from Forever Luxe because I bought several fragrances from them on eBay. When it comes to eBay shopping for fragrances, you got to go with places you trust, reputable stores that are on eBay that are actual real fragrance shops. And check your feedback, guys. It matters. You can get burned out there. Well, that tea note and the spiciness is starting to come through a lot more. I'll tell you what, the perfume oil concentration is kind of heavy. I don't know if that's coming through on the camera, but boy, that hand is shining where I sprayed it. Definitely going to be doing some testing on this one. I'll tell you what, guys, there's no way around it. Treasure, no doubt. I'm going to wear this to work tomorrow, possibly on Wednesday as well, and maybe on Thursday We'll do a full review on this one, see what kind of performance I get. See if anybody compliments me, says anything about the fragrance, if they smell it, if it draws them in. Ooh, you smell good. Man, I don't like that one. Let's see what kind of feedback we get from those around me at work, customers, so on and so forth, because I'm around several people during the day. So I have many opportunities to get some sort of comment, whether negative or positive, on the fragrance I'm wearing. And enough people around me on a daily basis know how passionate I am about this, so I have more conversations than you would think at work about this. But definitely a treasure, guys. It smells wonderful to me. It smells very different. It's got a very fresh, spicy quality. It's not just citrusy like the note breakdown would lead you to believe. That paprika or whatever it is making it spicy is really coming through. I love fresh spicy. So where it stands right now, guys, I'm just going to be honest with you. This thing is trash. I mean, excuse me, not trash. As treasure as it gets on what we've done on Trash and Treasure so far. If you like this format type, do me a quick favor while I'm thinking about it. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. And I'm going to tell you right now, this smells great. From my nose, it smells great. Not everybody's going to like it, but I'll tell you what, if this is something that you've been having your eye on, get it while you can, because eventually we're not going to be able to find them so cheap so easily. And yeah, I'm confident saying this. You go ahead and get your hands on this one. You give it a couple sprays. You will certainly thank me later. Have a great night, guys. Review coming soon.